गाइस हेलो, मैं हूं हर्ष कुमार आपका फिर से बैक बोन ऑफ सम थिंग्स यू कैन सी आई एम प्लेइंग माय रेडियो एंड आई एम इन रांची। सो क्या आप जानते हैं, डू यू नो, फॉर मॉडर्नाइज पीपल्स विद्या विज्ञान द दैव्य यंत्र और गणित यह ज्ञान और साथ में जीवन का मूल मंत्र अनुशासन। बस 26 मिनट 35 सेकंड। अनुशासन भगवान, भूमि, गंगा या जलपान, या फिर कह लीजिए से गंगा ही होगा। वायु, अग्नि, नर और नार माने एडम और ईव। धर्म ध्यान, ध्यान, रे इसमें पढ़ रहा तो इसलिए र लिया है, तो रिद्धि और सिद्धि ये दोनों। और म से मूल मंत्र। देयर आर 4 devil kings of every Hindu religious and true mythology. Every country have copied our mythology and created their own. But I believe in Jesus Christ, Ramchandra, Krishna, Allah and Vaheguru. This means I am not a refugee, I am Indian and I am a pure soul. Those yugas are Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug and Kal Yug. Satyug, Ravan was the king of Satyug and age to live on in India and whole world was 4,000 crore. Treta Yug age to live on in India and for whole world was 1,000 crore. Dwapar Yug was having the you can see I've written on it everything. Age to live on in India was 500 crores and for all the world also. Kal Yug has only 42 lakhs. Too low. It means we have traveled 5,000 years of this. So this all is a fact. God, we say generator, operator, destroyer, means Brahma, generator, operator, Vishnu and Mahesh is destroyer. But Kalki is formed by these 3 gods of Tar. We are talking about Kalki and Kali. So I'm not concluding Kalki, God Kalki in this video, but I am concluding the evil Kali. This Kali is our society. This Kali is our anger, sadness, cryness, stealing, jealousness, taunting and everything. We have to, and our ego also. Our ego also is a type of Kali. We have to stop this. We have to fight this COVID-19 and as well as this Kali. We have to be one and stand an army for God. And if you want nothing this to happen nor change, you all have to stay for only evilness. So stand for them. Throw out all the gods, pictures, photos, instruments and is everything from your houses and even granthas also, Quran Sharifs also, as you don't want to follow that. Those are stupidness for you all. Now surprised, fake bhakti won't help you to love the God. You have to love him more than your post. पापा मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, चुप हो। मेरे अंदर कली लाने का क्या जरूरत है? चुपचाप बनाए दोगे? मैं कुछ कभी धर्म के लिए मैं लड़ता था तो टीचर लोग बोलते थे कि ये कुछ करेगा। आज धर्म की लड़ता तो मतलब तो उल्टा ही होता सब चीज़। uh, you have to love him more than your position. If you are prime minister also, if you are everything, you have to love him a lot than your position, your money, your everything. The modern science says that in science everything in this modern science is wrong. It's true. That's why India was golden bird of world, because it was having Ayurveda, which was super modern science of all eras. Medicines have drugs that affect our whole body and turn into a living zombie whose whole depended on money, work, hate, medicines, whereas Ayurveda was a rich medicinal research from primitive and ancient India. India was having so many scientists in ancient times, but we know only Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Dr. C.V. Ramanji, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam ji. But in these three yugas, we were having plenty of Gurukul schools which given us discipline, education, tests, cooking, living, surviving, talking in manner, talent, confidence, no fear, speaking true, to be pure, and also weapon and combat training and info by teachers to Brahmans and Kshatriyas. Our ancient Indian scientists gave us Vedas, Purans, much more, but we have to be ashamed on us. Ayurveda takes 1 hour to heal body, but this Ayurveda science makes our body out of diseases and perfect in permanent condition, not in temporary. But we are taking drugs in place of आयुर्वेदिक meds. Second thing, जिसको समझना है समझो, नहीं तो रहो वैसे zombie बनो. It's not my problem. And fight COVID-19, but with Ayurveda too. Mix medicines 36% with Ayurveda's liquid form from every herb at 100%. It will get rid you of COVID-19 as recommended into convert it in vaccines. Most recommended herb which I have including vitamin C in it. Thank you. My phone number. So guys, thank you. Jai Hind. Fight COVID-19. Stay home. Stay safe. And don't crowd in far places. Don't get out of your homes. Don't be insane and for gossips. Mainly girls and boys do nowadays gossips, make the impression. So don't make an impression now. You have a time to make an impression in whole the society, but you must understand for now that it is a lockdown, and lockdown means permanent in home. So you have to stay for this lockdown. You have to stay in home, be fit, be healthy, help your mother, father in your house, help your brother, sisters. As I have no brother, sister, so I'm all alone. But I help my grandparents and mother and father. So thank you and join.